Hi, today we're going to do whole lesson 4-6 on arithmetic sequences. So our prompt today is determine whether the following, and the numbers in that graph, are in fact an arithmetic sequence, and find the next three terms. So, there's a little bit of background information you need before you can absolutely say that yes, this is an arithmetic sequence, or no, it's not an arithmetic sequence. The first thing you need to look at are these numbers up here. These are your terms. Second thing you need to look up is the numbers down there. Those are the numbers in the sequence. So right now we're not going to worry about the number 1's relation to the number 6, and we're just going to look at the sequence. So we want to think, what can we do with term A to get term B, and what can we do with term B to get term C, and so on and so forth. Now we could do a little bit of experimenting and some trial and error, but eventually you would come to find out that in order to get from 6 to 4, you subtract 2, from 4 to 2 you subtract 2, and from 2 to 0 you in fact subtract 2. So the next thing we have to do is find the next three terms. But before we do that, let's determine for once and for all, is this or is this not an arithmetic sequence? Now, because the pattern among these numbers, the bottom numbers here, remain the same, the pattern remains the same, so they form an arithmetic sequence. So yes, it is in fact an arithmetic sequence. So now let's find the next three terms. So the pattern on the top numbers is obviously +1, because those are the terms when they go in a numerical order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's find the 5th, 6th, and the 7th term. So we determined that the pattern was -2. So to find the 5th, 6th, and 7th term, we have to subtract 2 as well. So 0 minus 2 is -2, -2 minus 2 is -4, -4 minus 2 is -6. So yes, these numbers do form an arithmetic sequence, and these are the last three terms. So the full sequence is 6, 4, 2, 0, -2, -4, -6, and we are done.